Hello everyone, welcome to another video, very quick video, very easy video to implement today. I will show you how to add concept players in EA FC 24. So if you're new and if you want to add concept players in your squad in EA FC 24, well, this is how you can do it. So basically, as you can see, you need to go to the squad and you need to select squad builder from the squad actions. Now, this is basically to create and add a concept squad to your club, right? So if you want, you just need to go to squad, select the squad builder from the squad actions. This is L2 to LT or LT, right? And on the squad builder screen, you moved on to the concept player option and change it to yes. From there, you can basically set other filter options as you wish, and you can select build squad. In building a squad, you can add concept players in EA FC 24. Now, as you can see, alternatively, you can go to the squad selector screen. You can toggle to the concept squad tab, L2 or LT, and then select create new concept. Now, as you can see, for adding a concept player, you choose a position in your squad you want to add a player to. You select add player by pressing square or X button, depending on whether you're on PlayStation or Xbox, and then press search by pushing triangle or Y button. Go to the advanced filters and turn concept player option on. So this needs to be on if you want to go and if you want to add a concept player, and then you need to search for the players you're looking for, right? So make sure you know the name of them, and that's pretty much it. So that's basically the concept squad, right? So using concept squad, you can create and basically sketch your future squads without having them as an actual squad in your team. So that's what concept squad is all about in FC 24. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you find it useful. If you did, leave a like down below, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.